Hey guys, so we are back to making lessons. If you did not complete your project by now, please go do that and then come back this week. Really short lessons, so you will have time to do it all. I'm going to quickly go over what we're doing today and then we can get started. So, the first thing, we are going to review dystopias. I'm going to do a quick PowerPoint, walk you through everything you need to know. Next, you are going to go back to Google Classroom and read an article about the coronavirus. And then you are going to take a short multiple choice quiz over both dystopias and the article, right? There are only 10 questions. All of the questions that have to do with dystopias, I am going to go over in the next 3 or 4 minutes. All right, so let's get started. One more thing. I really miss you guys. I hope you miss school. I know I miss just leaving the house and going to do things. So I'm always here to talk if you need me. Please remember that. So going over dystopias, we've gone over this numerous times. A dystopia is an imagined state or society in which there is great suffering or injustice, typically one that is totalitarian or post-apocalyptic, meaning it is a fiction story because it is imagined. Where there is great suffering or injustice, it is awful. You do not want to live there. It is unpleasant. And it is totalitarian or post-apocalyptic. The government controls everything. So basically what you need to know from this slide is that something happened post-apocalyptic or totalitarian, something happened where the government had to make an extreme policy, right? Maybe zombies came, it was a prison outbreak, something happened and it forced extreme policies. So, a dystopia gives an illusion of a perfect society that has one or more of the following aspects. So, dystopias usually start out looking like utopias, the perfect place. But then once we continue reading dystopias, we see that they have a few of these aspects. Either the government controls everything, what you wear, what you eat, what you do, everything. That is one part. Environmental destruction. Maybe no one can go outside because there's so much pollution. Technological control. Everyone is watching you. There are cameras in your house and the government knows what you are doing at all time. Or maybe robots control you. Survival. Everyone is just trying to survive and not have a virus. Or loss of individualism, meaning that you cannot do anything for yourself. You always have to be with the group, right? That's a huge part of dystopias, the loss of individualism. Dystopias see the loss of individualism as bad or intimidating. They do not like people that go against the group, right? I'm just making sure I'm answering all of these questions for y'all from your quiz. I have your quiz open right here. So, yeah, that's what a dystopia is. And if you have any more questions, you can go ahead and you know how to reach me by now. If you don't, scroll down on the Google stream. But just kidding. Dystopias and utopias, the difference between them. Obviously, a dystopia, we've gone over this 4 million times. It is a fiction where there is great suffering because of something that happened by the government or post-apocalyptic. A utopia is a perfect place or state, right? Everything is perfect. There's flowers and sunny skies. Everyone is happy, right? So it's the complete opposite of a dystopia. Notice that I put dystopia as black and like spiky, and then a utopia is nice and fluffy and a cloud, right? Those can kind of represent them. Now we are finished. Your next steps are to go read the article, everything you need to know about the coronavirus in the United States, and then take the quiz. If you have any questions, you know how to get in touch with me. So yeah, there you go.